Hey y'all, it's Baylee Nicole. We're gonna do a hair tutorial. So I forgot my hairbrush, so we're gonna try and do this without it. We're gonna do a half up, half down. So I'm gonna go right here, go all the way across, and we'll fix the bottom in a second. We'll do about the same side, about the same amount on the other side. And then pull out any baby hairs on this side. Okay, and then we'll just flatten this. I want it to be a little bit messy looking for this video. Pull out that bit. Okay, I'm gonna do it loose. Okay, and then I'm gonna pull it apart and tuck underneath. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna fluff it up. And there we go. Does it look good? In the back?
Kind of little sticky ups.
Let's have these braids. Okay.
There you go.
There we go.